In today's video, we're breaking down some of the fastest and highest paying IT certifications you can earn in just under 1 year. And the best part is you don't need any prior experience or previous certifications to get started. These are real certifications that can lead to jobs paying over $100,000 a year in the United States, even if you're brand new to tech. So what will I be covering today, and what is the criteria to belong on this list? First, you can earn these IT certifications within a year. These certifications all pay $100,000 plus in salaries in the United States. They require no previous experience. They do not require any previous certifications in the field. So the certifications I'm actually going to talk about do not require that you have any other certifications related to it. These are foundational, and all the certifications that you want to build upon and earn afterwards within the IT field are built upon these certifications. So what's covered with each certification? So you're going to get a quick explanation of the certification, time to earn, how long it takes to earn that certification, average salary, experience and prerequisites required, and finally, the cost of the exam. Great, let's jump right in and get started. So the first one on our list is AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. This is one of the most valuable beginner IT certifications because it teaches cloud computing from scratch and is trusted by employers nationwide. Even without experience, candidates can land cloud support or junior architect roles by demonstrating hands-on lab skills. AWS remains the #1 cloud provider, so demand stays extremely high. The time to complete this certification is 3 to 6 months. Prerequisites, none are required. Experience needed, none required. Self-study plus labs is enough. Typical salary is between $120,000 to $150,000 US. And the exam cost is about $150 US, and the exam itself is 130 minutes long. Here's some other info. Many cloud support / junior cloud engineering roles hire beginners with only this certification plus projects. Number 2 on our list, Google Cloud Associate Cloud Engineer, ACE. A Google Cloud Associate Cloud Engineer is an entry-level cloud professional certified to deploy, manage, and monitor applications and infrastructure on Google Cloud platforms. The certification proves you have the practical, hands-on skills to work with GCP even if you have limited prior cloud experience. Time to complete the certification is 2 to 4 months. Prerequisites, none. Experience needed, none. Typical salary is between $110,000 to $135,000 US. Exam cost is about $125, and the exam itself is 2 hours. Other info, easiest entry point into cloud computing with high job placement. Number 3, Microsoft Azure AZ-900 plus AZ-104. AZ-900 builds foundational cloud understanding, while AZ-104 certifies you to work as an Azure administrator. Companies using Microsoft products heavily prefer Azure certified candidates. This path is excellent for those wanting a structured, job-focused entry into cloud or IT infrastructure. Time to complete this is 3 to 6 months. Prerequisites, none. Experience, none required. Typical salary is $100,000 to $135,000 US. Exam cost, AZ-900 is $125 US, and AZ-104 is $165 US. Other info, many companies hire junior Azure admins with just these 2 exams. Number 4, CompTIA Security Plus Cybersecurity Entry Level. Security Plus is the most recognized entry-level cybersecurity certification in the world and is approved for government and defense jobs. It teaches essential security principles such as threats, risk management, encryption, and incident response. Many companies hire beginners with this certification into SOC analyst roles. Time to complete is 2 to 4 months. Prerequisites, none. Experience needed, none required. Typical salary is about $100,000 to $130,000. Exam costs $404, which is the voucher price, and the exam is 90 minutes long. So I think without the voucher, it's about $450, but with the voucher itself, it's $404. Other info: number one cybersecurity certification for beginners, meets DoD 8570 requirements. Number 5, Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. This certification trains absolute beginners to become Security Operations Center SOC analyst using hands-on labs and real tools. It focuses heavily on job-ready skills rather than theory. Employers appreciate the portfolio projects which prove your capabilities without needing prior work experience. Time to complete 3 to 6 months. Prerequisites: none required. Experience needed: none required. Typical salary is $100,000 to $140,000 US. The exam cost is $49 a month when the course and training is done to Coursera, or you can do the exam by itself, which is typically around $150 to $300 in total. Other info: opens the door to SOC roles with zero experience through portfolio-based hiring. Number 6, Cisco CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. CCNA is the foundational networking certification accepted by nearly every major company. It teaches routing, switching, Wi-Fi, network security, and troubleshooting, all skills used daily by network engineers. Even entry-level networking jobs can reach $100,000 annually quickly as you gain real-world exposure. Time to complete: 3 to 6 months. Prerequisites: none. Experience needed: none required. Typical salary $100,000 to $125,000 US. Exam cost is about $300 and the length is about 120 minutes. Other info: CCNA alone is enough to enter networking and hit 6 figures early. Number 7, Salesforce Certified Administrator. Salesforce admins manage the CRM systems used by sales, support, and marketing teams. You don't need coding experience, just the ability to learn workflows, automation, and dashboards. Because nearly every industry uses Salesforce, certified admins are high in demand across the US. Time to complete: 2 to 5 months. Prerequisites: none. Experience needed: none required. However, experience is always good if you were able to get any intern roles or any kind of help that way. But experience needed to get started with the certification is absolutely none. Typical salary is about $100,000 to $130,000 US. Exam cost is about $200 and the exam itself is about 90 to 105 minutes. Other info: Salesforce admins are in huge demand. Many entry-level hires only require this certification. Number 8, Scrum Master Certifications, CSM or PSMI. Scrum Masters manage team communication, productivity, and agile workflows. Companies often hire junior Scrum Masters from non-technical backgrounds because the role is more about leadership skills than technical experience. This is one of the fastest non-technical paths to 6 figures in IT. Time to complete: 1 to 2 months. Prerequisites: none. Experience needed: none required. Typical salary $100,000 to $100,000 US. Exam cost: CSM is about $495, includes course plus exam. PSMI is about $200. Other info: many IT teams hire a junior Scrum Masters because the role is communication based, not experience based. Okay, that's something important to remember. And finally, Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. This certification focuses on Excel, SQL, dashboards, visualizations, and job-ready analytics projects. Employers hire based on your portfolio rather than experience, making this perfect for beginners. Data analysts are needed in every industry, from healthcare to tech to finance. Time to complete is 4 to 6 months. Prerequisites: none. Experience needed: none required. Typical salary $100,000 to $120,000 US. Exam cost $49 a month, which ends up being about $150 to $300 total. Other info: portfolio-based hiring means you don't need experience or prior certifications. Now, just quickly, I just want to let you know that if you are interested in any of the certifications mentioned on our list, you can simply take the name. For example, here I've written AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, and do a search in Google, and it'll bring you to the official website, Amazon Web Services. Click on this, and over here you can find out all the information about the examination. All right. And another example here would be to go here. You could type in CCNA, which is the Cisco examination. And here you have the actual Cisco website where they talk about the CCNA certification and everything that you need to know. Explore exam and training. So it's as simple as heading over to Google and doing a quick search, and you will be able to find out more information on the certification and requirements and how to prepare for the exam, and other information that you may be interested in knowing about. Okay. All right. Well, this wraps up the top IT certifications you can earn in under 1 year. And these certifications do lead to six-figure salaries, even if you're starting out with zero experience. Now, this was a quick video. It was high in demand and a big request from my subscribers on my channel. So I hope that you did enjoy this video. As I mentioned, it was a quick video, just pretty much providing the top 9 IT certifications that you should focus on getting if you're just starting out and you really want to make a big boom in the industry and jump in and earn those high paying annual salaries. Okay. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button so more people can discover this video, and subscribe if you want more guides on breaking into tech, interview prep, and landing high paying roles as well. All right. So thanks for watching. Keep your head up, keep smiling, and good luck.